In this video I will show you how you can create a landing page for your agency in less than 10 minutes. We will be creating a website like this you're seeing on the screen and even better ones. So everything will be done only using AI, and we will also host it online completely for free. So let's get started to the video. Right now I'm inside the Google Gemini, which is a Google's AI, and I do have a pro version as you can see right here. But I think you should be able to also access this button. So as you can see, if we click here, we can see a pro. So things longer for advanced math and code. So pick a pro version of the Gemini free. And now we need to select on the tools to create a canvas. So click on canvas, and now we can type a prompt for our landing page. So you can say, I need a landing page for my influencer marketing agency. And what's next? Now we have to give AI an example. So think of any agency or any website that you like the design. So let's just search on web. So just found some random agency website which is called 9agency. And as you can see, they have this strange landing page, but for example, you like it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy everything. So we're gonna take a screenshot. So let's just copy it. And now we're gonna paste the screenshot inside the Gemini. So upload files, paste it in here, and say use image as reference. And that's actually it. So this is the first prompt we're gonna use. But we also need to mention one big thing, use HTML. Oh, I just made a typing mistake, HTML, because we want to easily post it on the Netlify and we don't want any mistakes. So let's just use the HTML language. And now we can click submit, and what AI will do, it will create a full landing page in like a minute or so. So yeah, this is very cool stuff, because in earlier days, you would need to hire a designer for like $100 to create a website for you, but now you can do it in seconds and only using AI. So this is a huge level up for everyone. And as you can see, it's now planning everything, planning the code, and in seconds we should be able to see a code. Yeah, here it is, the code is generating right here. As you can see, it's pretty fast and it will take like a minute. So once the code is done, we will be able to see a preview inside the Gemini. As you can see, it's adding the hero section, the social proof, the metrics, and also some interactive effects. But don't be fast to judge the website, because it will be not as great, because this is the first prompt, and usually after the first prompt, the website is not great. So let's take that into consideration. So I think it's almost done. It should be close to finishing, and I will be back when it's done. So now it's done. And as you can see, we already got a website. It's not that great. And it doesn't look pretty similar because there is an image. But what we got similar, that we got this one running right here. So this is pretty much similar, just not the same. So now how can we make it even better? You can say, I don't like colors. I want a professional look. I want a professional look, and I want it to be super interactive, add cool effects and animations, also optimize for conversions. So yeah, this is what we want for now. We want it to be more professional, because this looks like some kind of AI tool, and we want it to look professional. Also, what I mentioned is to add more effects. As you can see, we don't have a single effect or animation on the landing page, so that's off. Also, it has to optimize this whole page for conversions. So what it actually do, it will make it have some, for example, a trust section, for example, a frequently asked questions section, and all of those things. Also, it will upgrade the text on the hero section and all of the other sections. So I gave it the prompt, and as you can see, AI understood everything. It added the advanced interactions. It optimized it for conversions. Now we have a sticky book now button, and also we swapped to the Swiss style aesthetic. So there was a gamer crypto aesthetic, as you can see, not that great. And now we move to the black, gray, and grayscale. So let's wait for the results. Also, you can track the code by pressing on this button. And as you can see, everything the AI is doing. So if you have programming knowledge, you can fix some things yourself, but usually there are no bugs or no problems. Usually AI will do its job perfectly. So I don't think there will be ever a need. So to create a website, you don't need to have any knowledge about coding. So AI is done right now. As you can see, the code is finished. Let's wait a second and we can click. Oh, now we got even different one. As you can see, influencers that drive real revenue. We can start a campaign. It's pretty much the same, just looks a bit more professional. So now what I want to do next is upgrade the hero section, because the hero section is the main part of your website, because when a person clicks on your website, it's the main thing everyone will see. So what I want to say, on hero section, add gradient light animation with 2 circles. That's it. I want a hero section, so right here, to have a gradient light animation, 2 circles with light to circle around somewhere and have a gradient lighting. So I don't want it to be black, red, or white. I just want it to have a gradient lighting. So it added a background. I wanted an effect. So we will see how this goes. But I hope yeah, as you can see, sometimes bugs do happen. So in that case, what you're gonna say, just say fix the hero, for example. It's messed up. Now fix the hero, it's messed up. As you can see, AI sometimes does mistakes, so that's fine, but they are usually very rare. And I've created more than 20 websites already, and I never had this kind of bug, like some simple ones, but that's actually a huge bug. So let's wait a bit and let's see how it will fix it. So AI just fixed it, and we got a gradient light in the background, but doesn't look good actually. So final fix for me would be make it more aesthetic, and animated light should be gradient and move in circles. I just made a typing mistake, but whatever. So hopefully AI will understand us correctly now, that we want a moving thing on the landing page hero section. So now it says that it updated the hero section with aura light effect. So let's see if it's actually true or AI is lying to us again. It did create something. Yeah, I can see it. But that's not what I am aiming for. So as you can see, it will take at least 10 minutes to create a normal looking landing page. I'm not saying it's perfect, but if you spend 30 minutes, you can create an insane website because you can actually type as many prompts as you want. So you can type 100 prompts. So you can imagine what you can create with 100 prompts. So if you don't like it already, you can just say the gradient colors are not moving and make all page more interactive. Add cool effects. So if you don't know an effect you want to add, just say add cool effects, because usually when you try and prompt an effect you have in mind, there's a high chance AI would not understand what you are wanting. So in that case, I'll just type create a cool effect. Sometimes AI decides better effects than I do. So in this case, I will leave it completely for AI. And this is going to be the last prompt for this landing page. And next I will show you how you can create a call integration so you can accept calls directly from your website. So a person could book a call through your website. As you can see, we do have the buttons, but they won't work because you didn't set up it already. So let's wait a bit while it's done its job, and it's saying that it will do so much things, but I hope it's true and AI is not lying. So here's what we came up with. After this prompt, we got a little bit of a floating effect, as you can see. We got some effects right here. Maybe it's glitching. As you can see, there's some kind of a glitch. And the photos change color, so yeah, that's super cool. We can claim a free audit. As you can see, some things are working. The call is not working. These buttons are working. As you can see, we got a cursor animation. So yeah, that's a cool thing. And I'm gonna give one last prompt because there are some issues. Fix whole page from issues. So AI will understand, but in the meantime, we're gonna go to my agency website. And what we need to create a call link. So you can register for call.com. It's an app where you can create and book Google Meet calls, for example. So you need to have a call link. So this is a 30-minute meeting. So what we will do with it, we're gonna paste it inside the Gemini chat, and it will make a button work, and a person would be able to book a call. So I think it saw the problems. Hopefully. In the meantime, let's just write, I want to integrate calls and call.com integration at the bottom. So yeah. Oh gosh, I just stopped the response. So let's just copy it. Fix. Let's just say fix. Because I stopped the response, and as you can see, the AI has deleted a little bit of codes. So we are left with unfinished project. Because I rushed things too fast, I wanted to upload the second prompt, and this issue happened. So hopefully everything is fixed. Yeah. So now it is fixed. This is a strange animation. So for example, we are happy with the product. The cursor is also glitched, but I will just not fix it at the moment. So we are happy. Let's paste back the call prompt. And now we should be able to book a call directly from the website. So let's wait for it to implement everything. So it is finished now, and let's try to start a campaign. It takes us to the bottom, and we do have a call.com integration. So for example, I want to book a call. We can easily book a call through the website. Also, there is a button, book a strategy call, that takes us, and we can easily book a call. We got case studies and everything. So let's say this is the finished product. And how can we host it online for free? So there comes the app Netlify. We need to log in right here. So we can use the Google. And once you are logged in, I'm going to show you exactly how to do next steps. So go back to the Gemini, go to the code section, and press on Control A on the code. Now copy all the code with Control C. Now we're gonna go to the notepad on the computer and paste the whole code. That's it. Now go to File, go to Save As. Now let's name it index.html. But first things first, new folder. Click on new folder, web test. So create a new folder, name it whatever you like, and paste that index.html into a new folder. So follow this step because you have to have a folder with a file inside. So click on save, you can close everything and go back to the Netlify. Now, upload your product right here. As you can see, we got the website test. Just upload it, click on upload, and in seconds, we will have a website hosted online completely for free. So let's just wait a bit. It's gonna take 10 seconds at most. So it's actually uploading for very long right now. And now we got it online almost. Project has not been deployed yet, so just wait a bit. And now it's on. So now we need to set up a domain for this website. So what you gotta do is press on domain management, and it's super easy. Click on add a domain. So you can either buy domain from here, but I would recommend using the Hostinger, and you can add a domain you already own. So for example, you have a domain purchased on other website, you can just freely add it here. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to take a look at your project, just click on this button. And as you can see, we got a fully working website online, and it was completely for free. So I think that's super insane, and it will save you a ton of money when you are starting your agency, because agency is like the most important thing for the trust proof, because usually guys will not have any websites and they try to manage brands, and brands just don't take them seriously. So if you want to make more money, look more serious, you have to have a professional looking website. So that's gonna be it for this video, but I have a free group you can join right now. So the link is in this video description. You can join that group completely for free, where I will be teaching all the stuff I know. So if you want to learn how to do contracts, if you want to learn how to create websites, if you want to learn the agency tips, so please make sure to join that free group, because for the first 100 users, the entrance is completely for free. So if you will be the first among 100, you will get access to all the materials completely for free. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.